Hey, how you doing? Alex here, and I want to show you something. I had this question the other day, and someone said, "Oh, I haven't got a computer, and how do I do the research for hot products?" Right? I haven't got a computer, I can't do the research, or I'm not too sure I can't do the research until I get a computer. And with some of the tools that we talk about as members, which is what you are, you're a student. There are ways in which you can do the research without having to need a computer. You still need a device, you still need a phone, you still need an iPhone or an Android or a Samsung or whatever, right? Or an iPad, right? But you can actually do the research without having a laptop, right? Let me show you, right? Let me just come around here and let me just show you something, right? So I'm logged into the tool now. This is one of the tools that we use. Can you see that clearly? And all these are tracked products. So these are products that I've already looked at before in the past with myself, with students, and got a whole bunch there, right? But I've just gone in and clicked track products, and I can actually clearly see. I mean, this is not a computer, right? So there's another tool here which I want you guys to look at. It's called the database research tool. In module number 1, there's a way in which you can do the research. You can basically say, all departments, it can't be more than $100. No more than 100 reviews, right? It's got to be more than $20. We spoke about that the other day, right? It's got to be doing minimum, right? 10K or whatever you guys want to put there, right? But it's got to be doing minimum in terms of sales. Sorry, $10,000 sales. Okay. And then you click the search button, right? And what will happen is the tool, and this is if you guys are looking for ideas, right? Utilizing this tool will actually find you ideas. So if you're struggling for ideas, you can go through module number 1, which is lesson number 1 and 2, which is the Chrome, using the Chrome browser, and then creating an Excel spreadsheet, going around the room, finding hot products and modifying them. Or you could essentially just use the database research tool on eGrow, and it'll come up with a whole bunch of products for you that will, let me just show you, right? One thing I've already found right here, you can sort of see here. I know it's not the most sexy product, it's incontinence underwear for women, right? Extra large, right? So selling for $45 in terms of sale price. It's got 56 reviews, so doing 10K US a month, right? So again, you could do the research, you don't need a computer, you could do the research on this tool. Utilize the database research tool. If you're struggling for ideas, go on here and utilize it. Bye-bye for now, that's it, guys. By the way, I look forward to seeing you at the training too, the upcoming training next month, September 28, 29. If you're gold, you're joining us for the Monday, which is the 30th, all right? Talk to you real soon. See you later. Thanks for joining me.